If you're already using ChatGPT in your daily work, then you need to know about ChatGPT Canvas. It's not just another tool, it's a powerful new feature from ChatGPT which will be enhancing your productivity. It offers an interactive and visual workspace which will help you to be more productive in your daily digital marketing works. In this video, we'll show you 5 incredible ways of how you can use ChatGPT Canvas to make yourself more productive and how incredibly you can ease your workflow as a digital marketer. Hi, I'm Achyut G. Ramesh, a freelance digital marketer who have been working in this digital marketing space for the last 8 years. In the last few months, I have been pushing myself to learn about AI tools so that I keep myself updated and upskilled in the world of AI because I don't want AI to take away my job. I'm really impressed by the efficiency of the AI tools and how it has been pushing or taking away manual work from our job. So I have decided that all this year I have been learning about new AI tools and also how I can implement AI tools in my daily work so that it will ease my productivity, and I just need to focus on the work that is actually essential and need my input. So what exactly is ChatGPT Canvas? ChatGPT Canvas is not just like any text-based chat, it's an interactive AI workspace. Unlike the traditional ChatGPT which operates line by line, Canvas allows you to structure, edit and visualize your content in an organized manner. With Canvas, you can move text, refine sections, request edits in specific areas, and organize information in a way that suits your project's needs. In the last 3-4 days, you might have seen Ghibli studio style images popping up in Instagram and going viral. Many of your friends and family are posting their cartoon or animated images. But along with that particular feature in ChatGPT, there was another feature that was introduced that is called Canvas. That is the exact feature we will be talking in this video. Before that blows out, you just need to be updated about that as well. So in this video, let's dive in and let me show you how it exactly works. Let's dive in. Okay, as you can see, I'm just writing the ChatGPT, and you have to make sure that you use ChatGPT 4.0. That's the model that you have to use it for this. Then the next part is here, right here. This is the one which was new and everyone is creating the Ghibli Studio. Let me know if you want to have a video on that as well. I will create that. But we in this video we'll be talking about the Canvas, collaborate on writing and code. You click on Canvas. The next thing that you're gonna do here is, for example, this is very useful for creating campaign planning and idea generation and brainstorming on different things. So for different campaigns, when you're doing digital marketing, for let's say that I want to create a campaign for planning for I want to create a campaign plan for a shoe, a sneaker brand in India. Create a plan of attack for it. Okay, so let's see. And in the parallelly, let me try to, with the same instruction, let me try to create one in the ChatGPT as well. And this is ChatGPT 4.0 Canvas. Okay, here as you can see, I can make edit right here. Okay, individually on this. Previously in ChatGPT, what used to happen is, let me go to ChatGPT again. And this is clear on the normal ChatGPT, it's not Canvas. Over here, if I add the same instruction, and it does provide the same campaign plan and all, but to make any changes on a particular session, I have to actually give an instruction. It's a line by line stuff, right? It's a line by line stuff. I have to give the same instruction over here. If I have to make a change in the KPI to measure success, I have to add it here again, KPI to make changes in the KPI to measure. But it might end up making changes here as well, right? But in this case, when you're using Canvas, you will have everything. You can select particular stuff and make the changes right here. Okay, so that's in the normal ChatGPT. You will have line by line changes that you have line by line content is what we have. Over here you will have different sections to each of it. So that's why it's called interactive visual communication. Over here, as you can see on the left hand side, On the left hand side, you can see all of that happening. uh, Now let me say that create a table with different campaign elements for this plan of attack. Okay, like platforms, key message, KPIs, and all the important elements. Okay. Now, if I do that, it will create a table for me, and it becomes much more easier. I just asked it to create the entire POA in a table format, and this is how it created. And let's say that I want to make any particular changes to, let's say, target audience. I want the age group to be here. You can make edits to each of those sections, right? Yeah, I want to change the age group to 20 to 45, 40. Okay, I'm just adding it in. Now let's see. It made the change, right? Similarly, you make changes section by sections. And the second use case that I'm going to add here is content editing and refinement. Let's say that I want to create a blog about crypto or AI agent. Okay, AI agent, and its use cases. Okay, nice. It's creating the blog for AI agent. As I have shown previously, I can make edits like this. Okay, I can add emojis. Okay, this one, let's say that I want to add some sort of emojis over here. I can select this, and you can make it blurred, bold, italic. Fonts can be changed. Here the sections. Okay, maybe I will ask it to explain, um, simplify it. Okay, simplify it for any beginner. Re-edited it, rewrote it, and it's mentioned it in such a way that it's beginner friendly now. Now I want to add let's say emojis. Okay, I go here. Okay, I get selected emojis, then sections. Okay, choose sections. Now what it will do is it will add emojis to all the sections that we have done over here. Similarly, you could have selected word by word, list by list, or could be anything, right? Now there are similar other features that you can add over here. One is add final polish. Once it's created, you want to refine it further. That's why you can use add final polish. Then you can reading level. Do you want it to simplify it for current reading level, or you can make it to, yeah, you can increase it college level. You can graduate school level. Okay, or you can simplify it further as how you want. Okay, I'll select the graduate level. Now it will make it such a way so that it is good for the graduate levels. As AI is an intelligent software construct that perceives interacts, you can do the same thing in a beginner friendly level or a kindergarten level. Okay. Now it's a more advanced, or I would say in a complicated manner it is written. Now we can do it in a simplified way as well. So you can set different levels of writing as well. That's the benefit that you can find here. Reading level, then you can adjust the length of each of it. You can increase it, shorten it. Let's say that you want to short version of this blog. I click on that. It will concise the entire blog into shorter format. So yeah, these are the ways how the canvas is way different from that previous version of ChatGPT text version, which was much more needed much more efforts from our end. Now it has very much flexibility and has a lot of different ways of how we can customize each of it. As a digital marketer, we also need to create customer persona on different levels, right? So let me try to create a customer persona for the same sneakerhead, right? I'll go to Canvas, create this. Okay. So here we go. Now we have the canvas over here. Now it's elaborate, structured in a section wise format. Now, this is the customer persona for a sneaker brand in based out of Kerala. So, this is the customer persona. So, these are the different ways of how you can use ChatGPT Canvas. If you're not using it yet, then please start using it because it will make your life much more easier. It is much more structured. It is much more simplified way than the usual text-based ChatGPT that we have used to. Um, as new things comes up, just upgrade yourself learning all these simple things so that you are top right there, right? Any changes that's out there in AI which will be out there in next week or so, you should be updated about it. That's what I consider, even if it's maybe very useful for me maybe in the later days. So we never know. So if you guys are enjoying this kind of videos, then please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye bye.